Quick reading for February the 23rd to the 24th. Pisces, your cards are the Two of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. So, it's a minor change, no? Pero kahit na the change is a change. And this is a positive change. Pwede nating sabihin na nagdadalawang isip si person sa relationship natin or sa atin way back then. Pero it felt like siguro baka kahapon, no? Pero bigla mo na lang may isip sandali. Parang si person medyo nag-e-effort ngayon, no? I think merong realization dito si person with the Six of Swords. Instead na bitawan ko itong relasyon na ito, instead na pabayaan ko, no? Kumbaga, kumbaga sa bahay, pinamana na ito. Meron na itong history, kumbaga meron kaming emotional attachment dito, no? Bakit instead na sirain or ibenta, ayusin ko na lang, i-renovate ko na lang, no? I feel like mas mapapaganda ko pa ito. Parang ganun yung gusto niyang gawin. Instead na ibigay, sirain itong relationship, ayusin ko kasi attached na rin ako kay person. So this is your reading, Pisces, for February the 23rd to the 24th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.